Like, do you see me? You see me. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Caitlin. How are you? You should definitely subscribe. Like, you see the red button, make it great and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see even more of my beautiful chocolate face, you can follow me on my social media accounts, be listed up above and linked in the description box just for you. All you gotta do is just go down there, click the link, and like all my pictures on Instagram. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. I hope you enjoyed. So yeah, now that we got all that out of the way, let's just get right into this video. We are back once again with neglected hair, and by the thumbnail, you guys already know what I'm about to do. Like, I'm about to try to do this ponytail that I saw on Pretty V on Wild Now. I'll post a picture up here for a reference. And if you are new to this channel and you do not know my I Can Do That series, it's basically where I get a picture, photo, video of somebody with their hair for inspiration, and I see if I can do that or not. So if I can do that, y'all gotta comment below, Caitlin, you did that. But if I didn't do that, you ain't even gotta say nothing, okay? So yeah, that is the gist of this series. I'm just gonna be trying to recreate the style as best I can, and I'm ready to start. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna try to work in the middle, sleek that up first, and then I'm just gonna go to the outer portion. So now that I have the perimeter section off, I'm just gonna try to work the middle and make this into the ponytail. And ooh, that hurt. And the gel I'm gonna be using to sleek my hair is going to be the Extreme Wet line. If you're not new to the channel, you already know this gel is bae, and I love it. So I'm gonna be using that to sleek, and I'm gonna use a little bit of water as well. To get the ponytail as sleek as possible, I'm going to be using my Tangle Teaser. I forgot which one this was, but this is my Tangle Teaser. Okay, and I want my ponytail like I want it like right here, I believe. I'm just gonna put this up like I am a troll. Start sleeking the base. And I'm applying like the smallest amount of water because I don't want my hair to be wet on the inside to start stinking, or just to make the gel more workable. Okay, and I'm just taking that gel and just putting it like around the entire base of that section I have. I'm scooping it up. Now I'm going to go in with my brush like I already showed you, and we're about to work this gel into this section. I'm just going to loop it twice. Okay, and that is our first ponytail, and now I'm going to do this, the perimeter. I'm just going to do the same thing. Put water first, then go in with the gel, and then sleek it up with the Tangle Teaser brush just to smooth everything in. I just want to show y'all how high I'm putting my ponytail, because I do want it to be like up here a little bit. Yeah, like that. You know, she combed up. Okay, so I am going to be braiding my hair down because I'm going to use crochet hair. So to do that, I'm just going to split the ponytail in two and just braid it down. I expected, but we have the two braids in. I'm just going to make a little bun with them. I'm just going to cross it like this. I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm just going to close that and make sure that it stays basically. So now we have the base and everything. We're going to start crocheting the hair in, and this is the crochet hook I'm using, needle, and this is the hair I'm going to be using. So this is how it came. This is just some spring twist hair that I found. Just gonna push it through. Open the latch, place the hair in the hook, close the latch, pull her out, find the loop you created with the hair, and then you're just gonna loop it into a little knot and secure it like that. And there we have it. Like, That's as best I can explain it. I hope I'm explaining it well. I feel like I am. I'm gonna show y'all one more time, and then I'm just want to get into the motion of it because yeah, it needs to be done. Stick it through a section of hair, open the latch, place the spring twist hair on the hook, close the latch, pull her through, find your loop that you made, then just loop the hair through and pull it out on the other side. And there you have it. Like, hopefully y'all saw that. Like, I hope I was close enough and all that good stuff. I think I was, but yeah, that's all I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, like, I'm just gonna get in the gist of it and you guys can listen to this non-copyrighted music. All right, now I know things may look a little iffy right now, but we're about to separate, and like, I'm just trying to get, so I used a full pack of hair, and before I go into the second pack, I just want to, you know, get a feel for how much hair it is, because I'm telling y'all, once y'all fluff it, like, it becomes a lot. So we're just gonna start fluffing, and to fluff, this is how I do it. I try to be gentle, but like you're gonna see further down, I'm just gonna just start ripping them apart, because I just do it like this, separate it where it naturally wants to separate, and where'd it go? And reinforce the curl like that. That's all I'm gonna be doing. Just separate it where it naturally wants to separate, and reinforce the curl. It's just like taking out a twist out almost, but you know, it's just weave. So like, as you can see, like, it gets fluffy, and like you see like how right now, how like you can tell like this is different hair because my hair isn't as dark. That's going to go away once I start separating. So let's just get right into this separating, and y'all can sit back and watch some more, girl, because it's gonna take a minute. Okay, so it's the next night, and I just want to start off by saying I'm sorry. Okay, I didn't know I was gonna snap like this. To be honest, I almost didn't like the style because my head was hurting because I think I did this too tight. But like, I just can't help, I'm beautiful. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I didn't record everything, but I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it, because it's not, what I did wasn't that hard. From when I last left off, I was like dividing the pieces up. All I did after that was, I'm gonna show you, take 3 of these, you know, fluffed it, and I just wrapped it around, and I kept doing that. I did that twice. and that's how this thing got up here. So if you redo this, I suggest to not do that big of a bun, because my bun was still pretty large and it was harder for me to wrap this around it, and hence why it's so like tall. It actually turned out cute, but I mean, I wouldn't have wanted to do it like that because it made it tighter. To get this sleekness right here, all I did was I used the wet line, some water, and the Got2b glue. I used that and Got2b glue, and I did it with the tangle teaser and washed it with the bristle brush, and then I let it sit under a dryer. See, that's the key to getting these little, you know, little stuff like this. You gotta get them to dry, sis. You can't let it go out wet. Then it's not gonna look, you know, it's sleek. But since I got my do-rag on and I went on the dryer, it got sleek like this, and period. Like, just go ahead, thumbs up. I already know for myself, in my heart, I did that. So if you think I did that, put it in the comment section below. If you didn't think I do that, you know, you can put that in the comment section below too, boo. But like, I'm already convinced. So that is the end of this look, and it turned out so nice. I like it so much. It looks so cute. I forgot how much I love ponytails on me. Like, it's like an instant facelift, and like, just like, do you see me? You see me. Like, it's such a Barbie doll. Like, I feel like a real life Barbie. I can't wait to take pictures with this hairstyle, because trust me, they're coming. I love them so much. And if you think I did that, put in the comment section below. Like, Kaylin, you did that. I already said that.